Yoga time.
Wet and passionate. Caught exactly where I am now, like last June. Worse me nothing but these stats do. Read it on my tattoo. Beauty in the struggle, I got everything they lack. Ignorance is bliss.
What's up, guys? I hope you liked the video so far. The reason why I made this kind of just show you my daily routine. I don't really do much. My life's not super exciting. I just go to the gym really early in the morning and then I come out to train for soccer. I usually have some of my clients and friends come out to the soccer train, but today I'm training by myself. And after trainings, I don't really do much either. I just go to my classes for school and also do homework. So there's nothing really exciting about that. But I might be showing you a next clip later tonight. I might be going to George Mason to do homework with my friend Brian and Juan, so maybe I'll show you some of that. So I hope you enjoyed the video so far, and I hope you have a great day.
Yeah, tell me you're down, crashing at me like the waves. I make you feel, I got you feeling some weird type of way. Love seeing you on the top, bringing it down, keeping it hush. Baby girl, the way you do it, I can't get enough. Wait, tell me you're down, crashing at me like the waves. I make you feel, I got you feeling some weird type of way. Love seeing you on the top, bringing it down, keeping it hush. Baby girl, the way you do it, I can't get enough. Wait, for you on my chest, as I lay here with you. Your fingers go through my hair, what you finna do? Girl, you a freak, but baby, that's only for me. Damn, it feels so amazing when somebody I'm down for is down for me. Matrix, we slow every time that we ride.
Alright, what happened right here? What happened?
Fucking did card in the morning. It's fucking frozen. Yo, what is this?
Looked like you just put it through liquid nitrogen, huh?
So we just hiked up McAfee knob. It's like below 8 degrees. You know, I sprinted up the hill. Had to get the pictures for the squad. Freezing.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna work our way. I'm here with my man Jesse Tran. Everyone go follow him. Link in description.
That's right.
My man Miguel, looking Russian.
What's good?
Link in description. Follow him, dog. Strong friends right here.
That's Vidania. That's Vidania.
That's Vidania.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So this is the view. Beautiful view. So we'll see you guys later.
Oh yeah, you open the door. It like quiets the music too.
Oh my.
Unless you want to crank it up. Yeah. Oh yeah, when it's dark outside, it changes to night mode, and then it changes the whole speed of it.
It's amazing.
Yeah. And the mirrors for you too.
He just put it to Daniel sleeping, and it's adjusting his seat all the way back.
So that I can like look at the ceiling.
Do you think they're gonna have like automated roofs? Like you know how the Rolls Royce has like the star roof?
Oh, the sunroof, you mean?
Yeah, like the sunroof is like all stars. The Tesla, it's not.
Oh, the blue one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, that's a pretty good idea, actually.
Because
it's like pretty pricey. Like the stuff on the inside is not luxury, I guess. Like the Cadillac, each of the seats can recline, even the people in the back and stuff.
Oh, the people in the back can recline?
Yeah, and they have like a little miniature tablet on the center. And also the seats can also massage you, and they can also heat and cool your back. And
yeah, because my friend Brian, when he goes with his boss, he has this Cadillac, and him and himself have massage chairs.
Yeah.
Within the car.
Yeah. I think it's good now. Oh, wait, actually, I don't know.
Make it go forward?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it go forward. This is a third-party app. It's not made by Tesla.
Oh, some software engineer made it.
Yeah, they released like their APIs or something
Oh.
for people to. Yeah, it can't connect to the car. Wait, maybe this time it can.
Is it working?
How does it look even though it's like super
I mean, you can brighten it up and change like the aperture and the ISO level.
Oh, there we go. Please release it. There you go. Now the car's moving.
No way. He's controlling this with his phone.
I hope you run over that curve.
Dang, that's how quiet it is. Oh, dang, that's so dirty.
I told you.
You don't even see it, dude.
Oh, really? Dang. Just Photoshop it off or something.
Dude, Urina.
You can even sit in it and it'll like take you off or something.
It knows when to stop or you stop it.
Oh, it knows when to stop too.
What?
Yeah.
Who did that?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, I did. Yo, that's awesome. Model S. Yo, for all you young people out there, everyone, you want to be like Daniel right here, dog.
JK, you have to like close the trunk. Actually, I can just put myself in the trunk and make it go. Yeah, here we go.
Oh my gosh. As you can tell, Dan's in his trunk, and he's driving it by himself. What the heck?
That's so funny, actually.
Look, it's Dan. He's driving his car while in the trunk. Who does that? A genius does it.
Oh wow, it's actually turning too.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Dang, for all you young people there, you can do it. You know, if you believe. You just gotta be like Dan.
You can take videos from that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, no way.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, like the trunk, you can like install back seats because there's like this huge well over here.
You
There's
can't.
a lot of trunk space.
Dude, you can't really tell, but this trunk space is actually massive.
Yeah,
It's like almost as big as like that minivan. But no, it is really big. Like you can't really tell, but you could put a lot of dead bodies in there. I mean, a lot of alive bodies.
Yeah. You can also install rear-facing seats, but they cost like $3,000 extra.
Oh, the facing this way?
Yeah, because they have to like reinforce the back,
Yes,
and
I've always
they
wanted
have to like lock it onto something back here or something. But yeah.
Look at this. Look, you can comfortably sit back here easily.
Oh yeah, when you get a Tesla, you get like these things too. It's like a charging adapter.
What?
Yeah, like you want to plug into a regular outlet like this, or an NEMA connector like this, or I forget what's the, oh yeah, the third adapter is in the front.
Oh my God.
But yeah, like the third one's like for like a standard charging station too, like a Tesla custom one. Yes, the charging port back here.
What?
Yeah.
Did it just...
What? Did you do that?
Yeah, it opened by itself.
That's black magic.
Yeah, you can like.
Did you see that? Who saw that?
Yeah, if you hold this
What?
3 times. This thing can actually light green, blue, red, whatever.
Wow.
But then there's an Easter egg where if you click the charger like 10 times, it'll like flash rainbow
Wow.
or something.
You heard that? The future's here.
Easter eggs.
Yo, does mine do that? No.
I'm pretty sure mine does it.
Dang. Respect.
Oh yeah.
See, if you work hard.
Also, if you're in front of the vehicle while it's like driving, it'll like stop itself. So
Just hits him.
Yeah.
Wow.
If I move backwards more, I think it. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I think it stops when it sees an obstacle in front. Or something. Yeah. Or if I do this, or try to go out of the way or something. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, look, the wheels are turning.
Oh shoot, it's trying to get out of the way of this guy right here.
Yo, who's driving the car?
Yeah, if there's like an obstacle in the way, I would like try to get out of the way or
Oh
something.
my gosh. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Dan.
Oh whoa, I've never seen it done that before.
Yeah, oh my gosh. You saw that, guys? Dang, that's tech.
Yeah, see that horrible parking right there?
Dude, technology.
Yeah, horrible parking right there.
He did that with one hand, without a driver.
Yeah, so, yeah, it has like a back camera, like right here. And also it has like these little sensors. Like a lot of cars have these now. They're like ultrasonic sensors, and there's like 12 around the vehicle.
Oh my gosh, right there, there's one.
Yeah, and there's like
The camera's right
there's
there.
A camera right here.
What? There's a camera there?
Yeah, there's a camera right here, and this one looks like over here. And then there's a camera over here, and that looks back over here. And then there's actually 3 cameras in the front.
What?
One of them is like a wide angle one, and the one is like a normal, and the other one's like a narrow. And the narrow one can look like really far ahead.
Oh my gosh.
There's also there's also a radar sensor somewhere hidden behind this face, but I don't know where it's at. But
That's
it's
awesome.
behind there somewhere, and that can see through like metals and stuff like that. Ooh, man, it's kind of chilly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dan, for the tour and everything.
Yeah.
I know it.
Makes it parking now.
I know the car inside out now.
Yeah, kind of. There's actually a lot more.
Yeah, that
Right.
donut, probably, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so you put my hand in here while it locks. Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Wait, actually, I want to see if I do this, if I lock it, and see if I can still pull it out, even though it's like. Oh, wait, no, I can't.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. These guys are awesome. If you want to drive a Tesla, come up to Blacksburg. These are the coolest guys ever.
Come,
Dog, the new ones.
sesh with us.
Yeah, dude.
Sesh.
Sesh with Dan mostly.
Yeah. Tinder profile.
Now time to dip.